This example is from MGF 1107, where we are dealing with compound interest. It says a small company borrows $50,000 at 6% compounded monthly. The loan is due in 8 years. How much interest will the company pay? Round to the nearest cent. Well, one thing we have to know in order to do this problem is we have to know the compound interest formula. The compound interest formula says the amount is equal to the principal times 1 plus the annual interest rate expressed as a decimal divided by n, which is the number of compoundings per year, to the nt. So we have to take the principal, which is the amount of the loan, was $50,000, multiply that by 1 plus the rate as a decimal is 0.06, divided by, it was compounded monthly, which means 12 times a year. That whole quantity has to be raised to the n times t. So it's 12 times a year it's going to be compounded for 8 years. So 8 times 12 is 96. So at the end of each month, interest is added to the balance for 8 years. So on our calculator, we're going to have to type in $50,000, which was the original amount of the loan, parentheses, times 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12. All of that quantity is raised to, parentheses, 12 times 8, which is 96. And then press enter. That tells us that at the end of those 8 years, that small company will owe $80,707.14. Now, we do have to be careful here, make sure we answer the question. The question says, how much interest will the company pay? Well, the amount of that $80,000 that is interest is the amount that's greater than $50,000. So the amount of interest that the company would owe would be that amount of that $80,707.14 that's above $50,000. So on our calculator, if we took $80,707.14 and subtracted the $50,000, we would get that the interest amounted to $30,707.14. So the correct answer in this problem was C. C is the correct answer. That is the amount of interest on that loan.